Thermite welding is a welding process that employs an exothermic reaction to produce heat, which then fuses materials together. Several standards, articles, and books provide comprehensive information on this subject. Understanding these resources is crucial for anyone involved in thermite welding. Firstly, let's discuss relevant standards. AWS 5.2 is the specification for carbon steel electrodes used in flux-cold arc welding. While not directly thermite welding, it provides a basis for understanding welding electrode specifications. AWS 5.12/5.12m outlines the specifications for flux as used in submerged arc welding, which is a related process where flux plays a critical role in the welding operation. AWS 5.28 covers the specifications for low-alloy steel electrodes for flux-cold arc welding, offering further insights into electrode selection for various welding applications. ASTM E303 is a standard test method for determining the burning rate of metal wires, rods, and tubes in oxygen. This test is applicable to understanding the combustion characteristics of materials involved in exothermic reactions such as thermite mixtures. ASTM E1531 is specifically designed as a standard test method for determining the exothermic temperature of thermite mixtures. This standard is crucial for quantifying the heat generated during the thermite reaction. Secondly, let's explore key articles on thermite welding. The article Thermite Welding by R. E. Lennox, published in the Welding Journal in April 1964, provides foundational knowledge on the thermite welding process. Exothermic Welding of Railroad Rails by J. F. Williams, featured in the Welding Journal in March 1970, focuses on the application of thermite welding in the context of railroad rail maintenance and repair. Thermite Welding for Rail Maintenance by J. E. Webb, published in the Welding Journal in September 1985, offers practical insights into using thermite welding for maintaining railroad infrastructure. Modern Developments in Thermite Rail Welding by M. A. Hassan and A. Al Ansari, appearing in the Journal of Materials Processing Technology in August 2001, explores advancements in thermite welding techniques for rail applications. A review of thermite welding of rails by A. J. Thomas and M. F. Sacker, published in the Journal of Materials Processing Technology in April 2010, presents a comprehensive overview of thermite welding in the context of rail welding, summarizing key research and developments. Thirdly, let's examine important books on thermite welding. Thermite Welding Theory, Practice, and Applications by A. Beloved and E. N. Olive offers a detailed exploration of the theory, practical techniques, and various applications of thermite welding. Exothermic Welding of Rails by John Jurgen focuses specifically on the application of exothermic welding in the context of rail welding, providing in-depth coverage of the process and its implementation. Thermite Welding Handbook by Thermite USA Incorporated serves as a practical guide to thermite welding, providing step-by-step instructions and best practices for performing thermite welds. Welding Processes Handbook by ASM International offers a broad overview of various welding processes, including thermite welding, providing context and comparison to other welding techniques. AWS Welding Handbook, Volume 2 Welding Processes by the American Welding Society covers a wide range of welding processes, including thermite welding, offering detailed information on the principles, equipment, and procedures involved. In summary, these standards, articles, and books provide a comprehensive understanding of thermite welding. The AWS standards offer insights into welding electrodes and fluxes, while the ASTM standards provide methods for characterizing the thermal properties of thermite mixtures. The articles provide valuable perspectives on the application of thermite welding in various contexts, particularly rail welding. The books offer in-depth knowledge of the theory, practice, and applications of thermite welding, making them essential resources for anyone working in this field. Consider these resources for your exploration of thermite welding.